In today's video, I'll show you how to enable hCaptcha in Shopify, which helps prevent spam on your Shopify store. Usually by default, CAPTCHA should be enabled on the contact forms as well as on the customer account login pages right here. But in case you notice that it's not active, in this video I'll show you how to reactivate it. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Then on the left side of the screen, click on the online store and then select preferences. Once the page loads, scroll down. Look for the spam protection section. As in my case, let's enable hCaptcha on the contact form, as well as on the customer account login page. Once you're done, at the very top, click on Save. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try opening the contact form. And as you can see, the moment I click on the input field, the hCaptcha will be displayed at the bottom right corner of the page, right here. Now let's take a look at the customer account login page. The hCaptcha will also be active right here. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.